Module 1, Lecture A, Introduction to the Course. If you've ever felt that Python's built-ins are a huge toolbox you only partly understand, this course is designed to change that. In Python 3.12 built-ins A to Z, you'll move from "I know these exist" to confidently choosing and combining them to write clearer, faster, and more reliable code. You don't need any special background beyond basic Python familiarity, just a willingness to refine how you think about data, control flow, and the language's standard capabilities. Across 10 focused modules, you'll learn to classify built-ins into practical categories and use them to solve real problems, from numeric safety and text binary handling to mastering lists, tuples, sets, frozen sets, and dictionaries. You'll refactor fragile loops into clean, iterator-based pipelines with range, enumerate, zip, map, filter, and lambdas. Control complex conditions with any and all, and shape ordering with sorted and reversed. You'll inspect and reason about objects with type, instance, is subclass, ID, len, dir, vars, and help. Design more maintainable classes with properties, super, class and static methods, and memory view, and build robust error handling with the built-in exception hierarchy. You'll also make your I/O more testable with print, input, files, and dynamic imports. And finally, learn to use eval, exec, and compile in a controlled, security-conscious way. By the end, you'll be able to replace ad hoc loops and custom helpers with precise idiomatic uses of Python's built-ins, leading to code that is shorter, easier to read, and simpler to debug. You'll know how to validate and transform data safely, structure collections for performance and clarity, design predictable class interfaces, and handle errors and I/O in ways that stand up in real applications. Most importantly, you'll feel in control of the language's core features, able to look at a problem and quickly reach for the right built-in, confident that you're using Python 3.12 the way it was meant to be used. Thank you for your attention. See you all in the next lecture.